First, we draw the middle of the castle. Make lines sideways, down, sideways, down, and do it again. Next, we draw the right part of the castle. Then, the left part of the castle. Our castle has 3 towers. Our tower has a triangular roof. The windows in the towers have different shapes. There is a square. Circle. Triangle. Draw a line for the bottom. And don't forget the castle door. The last, we draw 3 flags on the roof. 1 flag, 2 flags, 3 flags. Red color for flags. Blue. Blue color for the first roof. Purple. Purple color for the second roof. Green. Green color for the third roof. Yellow. Yellow color for the first